Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to take you guys to Ariaria International Market. I'm going to be showing you guys the new structures that we have built. You can see them, you can see it from here. I'm going to be going inside, but for now I need to go and make a turn from the other angle of the road so that I can be able to go inside the market and show you the new structures that we are erected there that is already in use. The shops have been occupied because there is this plan to remodel the place and make the place look very very nice and modern. So guys, come with me as I drive into Ariaria International Market, one of the biggest markets in West Africa or even Africa, entirely. If it's the first time you're tuning into my channel, you're highly welcome. If you find this video interesting as you keep on watching it, kindly click the like button and the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet, and the notification bell above, so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be among the first people to watch the video. As you can see, Abia, which is the commercial hub of Abia State, is now becoming cleaner and cleaner by the day. This is not how Abia used to be some years ago. Abia has really changed. There are a lot of provision has been made. You see a lot of what is it called? Is it dustbin? Where you trash your dustbins, so you don't have to pour them on the road like it used to be before. Abba used to be so bad before, but now look at the changes. Even though we go 61 or 1 or 2, but now normal in Africa we day. What government is really working to make sure that this city becomes one of the most cleanest. Like in a short period of time, actually, Abba has just transformed. So bear with me, guys. We are actually very, very close to, the place where I have to divert and take you guys into where the new structures, have been erected already, and people, like I said before, have already started, I've occupied the whole place. People are selling. There might still be some empty shops. I don't know, but what I saw or what I have seen already, places that have been occupied, shops, complex that have been occupied already. You can see how big this market is. All these places you are seeing is part of Ariaria International Market. All of them here. They call this place Ariaria International Market. So guys, we are very, very close to what I'm about to show you guys. I want to show you guys the new structures, the new buildings. Now, this market you're seeing now with the new structures here, it has a lift. You understand? That's how modernized it has been. There's a lift here now in these new structures that you are seeing here. Yes, a lift. Now this is the entrance from which I'm going to be showing you guys. These are the new structures. I'm also going to show you guys the old dilapidated structures that are not looking so good. You understand? But this you are seeing right here, they are the new structures. You can see the shops are already, functional. People are already selling, in these shops already. So we're going to be driving down. Watch this video down to the end to see for yourself the transformation inside Ariaria International Market, and then tell me what you think in the comment section. Please also kindly click the share button, so other people can see and know what is going on inside of Ariaria International Market, Abia. So these are the old structures. You can see how bad they look like, and these are the new ones. You can see the Odogu cars, Odogu shop owners, and their cars are parked in front of their shops, and some of the cars too might be people that came to purchase one or two things. Now, the Igbo people of Nigeria are known to be, serious businessmen and women. They are people that do very well when it comes to business. This is one of the markets where they make their money. In these markets, you buy, there are a lot of things where you can come here and buy. A lot of people from different African countries, especially West Africa, come here to purchase goods. People from Ghana, they come here. People from other West African countries, they come here, they purchase at cheaper rates, and then they take back to their countries where they sell and make a lot of profit. So this is one of the biggest markets we have in West Africa. So there are still, new blocks that are under construction, and I'm going to go down to show you guys so you can see for yourself. The reconstruction is creating two-story buildings designed to resemble a modern shopping mall rather than a traditional market. The new blocks are equipped with advanced features, including electronically operated doors, fire alarms, and elevators.